This morning, we are tracking a wildfire burning near Colville. We do know that the fire started sometime on Wednesday night.
At last check, that fire has burned 3,000 acres. It's burning east of Colville and north of Chihuahua. Now, fire officials have issued level 3 evacuations west of Highway 20 near Locke. DNR says that the area that's being evacuated is rural, but there are some homes and campgrounds there. They are emphasizing that people should stay out of the area so that fire crews can do their job. We are expecting to hear an update from DNR later this morning.